Well, I'll tell you, the freedom to get up and go to bed when you want, that I think is most important. Now, of course, we want to make some moolah, of course, and maybe put some good things in our bodies, okay? Because Live Good has a lot of cool things that you can munch, okay, and put on your bod to make you rockin' and sexy this summer as we go into the 2025 summertime, okay? Because well, I guess it's about the middle of April. Today's the 14th, okay? And boy, before you know it, you're going to want to be hiking, biking, maybe outside with your shirt off. Woo, maybe at the pool or something. Do you have that dad bod? Yeah. All right. And ladies, do you have that mom bod? Is that what it's called? But anyway, you want to at least feel good. Okay. Of course, you want to look good, but I'll tell you, if you can get up and your back isn't as achy and maybe you have a lot of extra gooey, is it called fat? Ugh, do you ever go like this and just, or like, I do. All right. Yeah. Do you have a grandma that you go up and you kind of play with her little turkey, little gobbler thing? All right. Or you kind of go like this and your arms start going flapping back and forth, giving you a black eye. All right. What I do enjoy about Live Good is the products are amazing and they are wholesale. Okay. Almost 90 some odd percent of the people that join Live Good, they want to be a member. It's only $10 a month, $9.95. Okay. If you want to be an affiliate and earn money like myself, it's only $40. Two $20 bills and you're done for life. Okay. You don't have to buy, oh gosh, $100 to $500 of products so you can get like a $50 commission each month. But the company holds your money for like 6 months. And then they have all these levels of this and that. And in the meantime, while you're busting your ass, the owners of the company, and usually that one upline person makes all the money. And the worker bees, that could be me and you. All right. I'm even dressed yellow and black. All right. I kind of look like a little bee if I kind of flap my arms like a chickie. Okay. This is not a traditional MLM, or guess what? You wouldn't see my videos. I'm not an Avon, Amway, New Skin, Herbalife, Mary Kay, Tupperware. Ooh. I'm not that guy. I'm not busting my ass so everyone else can make money, and I have to lie and pretend I'm making money. Okay. Live Good is designed to where over 30% of the people right now that are just joining as members and affiliates are earning money. You know, traditional businesses that might be on par with Live Good, it's not even 5%. It's probably more like 1% to 2% actually make money. We're already at the 30% level. Okay. So let's get you just aboard this thing. Okay. Do you have $9.95 a month? $10. We'll give you back a nickel. Do you have 40? Do you have two $20 bills or maybe four tens? Okay. Or maybe you want to pay in pennies. You've been collecting pennies your whole life and you have $40 worth. Okay. Think about joining. Okay. I did, and I'm very glad I did. It's led me into other business opportunities online that I would have never thought I'd be successful in if it wasn't for the mighty Live Good. Live Good is my end all be all. It's my little baby. $49 I climbed aboard about 2 years ago, and I had no idea that I'd have 400 and something people. I'll have almost 500 people signed up in my group, probably by midsummer or the end of summer. And all I do is the same thing. I invite people like yourself to click something, to watch something. Okay, let me show you what I do. Let me get my business card right there smack dab in the middle of your screen. I bought joincory.com for like $11 at GoDaddy, and it forwards to a capture page. And I'll show you what that is, and you can see for yourself if you click joincory.com. Okay, you can always email me if you have questions, but please go through all the products. They kick butt for real. You're not embarrassed. Okay, you're not embarrassed to say that you're a part of Live Good. You're not embarrassed saying that you actually use the products. Okay, they are the best. They have the best ingredients. Everything organic. And I'll tell you what, for that $10 a month minus a nickel, you've got the best prices. Guys, you're getting wholesale pricing. You can take our products and sell them at a gym or online, maybe on Amazon, at the back of your trunk. It's up to you. Go to the FAQ section too. Okay, a lot of questions are answered there. All right, go through every one of them. And then please, when you want to look at our comp plan, and remember, we do not commission the products. We're a membership-based company. So we make all that cha-cha-cha, moo-la-la off the membership side. So please go to the very bottom of your website or your cell phone and look for affiliate pay plan or pay plan. You're going to come to this little section here. Now you can read about the 7 ways we get paid, and I think it's kind of boring. Do what I do. Go to the video. Cute little young lady down here. Look at her. All right, just itching her head going, man, what's going on? All right, say hello to her and hit the button. It's just a YouTube video produced by LiveGood. It explains the comp plan, okay? So please go to the pay plan or affiliate pay plan link. Watch this video 2-3 times. That way you can see we are not a traditional MLM. We're not. All right, go to the FAQE. Look at all those darn questions. And then, of course, go to the products, okay? And then if you join my group, I'm going to tell you how simple I've made this darn thing. All right, there's a little business card for $20. I buy a domain for $11, joincory.com, and it forwards to a LiveGood capture page. So what is a LiveGood capture page look like? Well, you get a handsome guy with a blue shirt pointing to this video. People, watch this video. You, please watch the video. It explains everything soup to nuts. Okay, and if you want more information or if you want to join LiveGood, just put your name, email, and click this little reserve my position now. Open up your email and join. Okay, get yourself a username. Get yourself a password. You guys know the deal. Joining LiveGood's easy. You know, it takes like 15 minutes. And then I'm going to send you a nice email of exactly 100% what I do. Okay? All right, I've become very good at this thing. I've been very good at, buying Hot Wheels and Lego kits and Kiss things and putting magnets on little mini fridges. I'll show you my technique on how I put them on. All right, I just put the magnet on and I straighten it up, and that's what I do. Okay, as simple as putting a fridge magnet on that little mini fridge I bought at the old Walmart. You can make LiveGood just as easy. Okay, all right, guys, thanks for your time. Get a hold of me if you need something. I'm not shy, that's for sure. Cory at CoryDraper.com. And please go to joincory.com. You guys know what to do. All right, let's have some fun. Thanks, guys, for your time, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right? See you later, alligator. We'll talk to you soon. Okay, bye.